Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clarifying what the dashboard must show and why. That drives layout and chart choice. Once done, gather a representative dataset and write 1 or 2 SQL queries or export a CSV so filtering works. Make sure to specify frequency and target device, because that determines density and interaction patterns. Next, open Chatgpt and describe the KPIs, sample schema, and desired interactions. Ask for a draft wireframe and component list to start building immediately. Now convert requirements into concrete components: titles, cards, charts, legends, and filters. Ask ChatGPT how to map each KPI to the best visualization and why that choice improves comprehension. Once you have a component list, request detailed props, sample JSON for a chart library, and responsive layout rules. Make sure to include interaction patterns like hover, drill down, and default filters, because those affect data queries and performance. Then validate the suggested queries against your sample data and iterate. Finish by implementing the suggested components, wiring them to your queries, and adding state for filters and drill downs. Once done, validate with edge cases, empty datasets, null values, and high cardinality. Test mobile and slow networks. Make sure to add caching and pagination where needed to meet performance goals. If a chart misbehaves or queries timeout, ask ChatGPT for targeted diagnostics. Share the failing SQL, sample rows, and error messages so it can propose fixes and optimization steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.